Yo, what's up, guys? Yeah, it's it's, um, it's a face reveal. You know, in my other videos, I don't show my face. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, today, what am I doing today? What the fuck, Anthony? Are you doing today? I'll tell you something. I'm trying something I always wanted to try. Never got to try. Fucking stupid. Motherfuckers. When did this fucking thing come out? Came out. What the fuck? I don't know if it says. Yeah. I don't think it says. Fucking cheap ass motherfuckers. Anyway, I don't know how long these things came out. They've been out for a while. I haven't tried them. Anthony, what are you trying? Well, glad you asked. I am trying French toast crunch. Mostly people heard of cinnamon toast crunch. Those are fucking good. I'm gonna try French people style. So now we go. I'm gonna open this motherfucker. Come on, open them off. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Do you even lift for? Shit. Fucking people don't know how to make quality plastic in the fucking cereal. Okay. I'm gonna try one now. Try two. Not bad. I'm gonna try some more. Oh, fuck yeah. That is good. Is that better than Cinnamon Toast Crunch? They're both the same. Is it softer and tastier than Cinnamon Toast Crunch? So yeah. But these are pretty good. So if you haven't tried French Toast Crunch, go to the store and buy some. If you like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, this might be a new deal for you. It's pretty good. You're gonna love it. Try it. It's Anthony Vella with the face reveal. Yeah, I'm gonna set those up there. I don't want them to spill on my bed. And I see you guys in the next video. Peace!